on to the last step of the 9779. If you are like me, you are in desperate need of a manicure at this point. The 9779 is corset inspired. It's definitely not as intricate as a true corset, but by no means is it an easy DIY. So if you've made it to this point, you should be very proud of yourself. Give yourself a nice pat on the back after you finish a step, not before. So the last step is going to be, I'm going to leave a lot up to you because you might be using a different zipper. So the last step is to insert the zipper. Now I'm inserting an invisible zipper. You might be inserting a regular zipper, an exposed zipper. So I'm not going to be going over how to insert an invisible zipper. There are loads of tutorials on zipper insertions on YouTube. Oh my God, you could, I want to even say millions of tutorials. Okay, maybe not millions, but a lot. So I'm going to be doing an invisible zipper. I will not be showing how to insert an invisible zipper, but I will give you enough guidance so that you will know what to do with the type of zipper that you are installing. Now, the reason why we left the lining free hanging was because at this point, we can install the zipper and clean finish it in the lining. So what I'm going to do is pin my invisible zipper to my dress. Now we are going to pretend that there aren't any pins, that I've already sewn it, because I want to show you what I intended for you to do with the lining after you install the zipper. Is that you can flip this back and this is the same way that we finished the lining at the center front hook and eye. And you can sew this down. So I'm putting right sides of lining against the right side of the main fabric, and then I'm going to sew it down. And then halfway before the bottom edge, I'm going to flip this up, fold it back about 1/2 inch, and I'm going to sew it down like that. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so that when it's all sewn, I can flip this out to the right side, and you'll have to imagine, and my lining will be clean finished. Will clean finish my zipper on the inside. Really nice finish. This looks bajiggity because it's all pinned. But that was what my intention was when I had you not finish the lining with the rest of the skirt. And then once you have that, you will flip the seam allowances up, and then you will fold the lining down and do a little slip stitch and clean finish the lining on the inside. Really nice finish. Now, if you're in a time crunch, totally you can just serge this all together. Totally, done it. So after you've installed the zipper, you will then finish sewing the skirt, the center back seam of the skirt, and then hem the bottom edge of the dress, and you're done.